What is the best type of business to start in 2025? Now, give me 5 minutes of your time. Let me explain to you the business you can go into right now, right? Give me 5 minutes. Let me do that. If you don't have 5 minutes, there's no problem. You can click off. Then I know that you are not here for business, or you're not here to learn about how to start a business in 2025. Now, this is what you need to do. The first thing you need to do right now is to make sure that you have something that you can offer to people that they can exchange their money for the value you have for them. And how do you turn that into a business? I know having a skill is not a business. Knowing how to dance, knowing how to sing, it's not a business, right? Knowing how to run Facebook ads is not a business until you turn it into an offer and turn it into something that can help someone else and begin to provide that. That is when it becomes a business. So now, what type of business am I supposed to go into in 2025 that's going to make so much money? People are talking about going to start a cryptocurrency business because now we are into bull run. Other people are talking about going to start an e-commerce business. Others are talking about going to start an agency, right? All those business models, nothing is wrong about them. They are all good. But as a beginner, somebody who just started, or somebody who started before but still struggles to make money online, this is my advice for you. Look for service-based business to offer based on your skill, expertise, and talent. I'm telling you, 2025, we have shortage of skills, expertise, and talent in the most productive areas of our life. Areas like sales, marketing, software development, technical skills, soft skills, managerial skills. If you have any of those, monetize them by converting them into a service that somebody can pay you for. That is what you should do first. Service-based business, right? Now, but how do you monetize a service-based business if you have something that you can offer? How do you monetize that? You can do that in different ways. The first option is to turn your service to become a freelancer with what you know how to do. Freelancing is an opportunity for you to serve somebody part-time or within a stipulated number of period or within a stipulated time, and you get to provide a particular service and the person pays you. So you can turn your skill and expertise into a service that you can offer as a freelancer. That is the one step. That's how to make your money in 2025. Now, step number 2 is to actually package what you know how to do as a service to somebody that the person can pay you monthly, right? Not as a freelancer. Actually, this is what you call your 9-to-5 employment. Nothing wrong with you working with somebody, providing your skill and expertise as a service. Nothing is wrong with that, right? Just go and get a job and deliver value to somebody who needs it. That is the second way. The third option is that skill, that expertise, that talent you have. You can turn them into digital products, ebooks, video courses, audio podcasts. You can turn them into digital products and begin to sell these products that will help somebody else get value from it, and the person will achieve results, and because they paid you for it, right? So turn what you have into a digital product. Very simple. Go on Canva, use ChatGPT, all these tools, create products for yourself that you can sell in 2025. Then, if you are able to create a product from your skill and expertise, or you are able to provide it as a service to someone else, that simply means that you can coach somebody on how to do the same thing that you do as a service. That is where you can now upgrade to start to coach people, to mentor people, to package it and show them how to achieve the same result, showing them the technical aspects of what you do so that they can also be able to do it for themselves. You coach them, you hold them by the hands. That is how you make money in 2025. All this issue of going to start a cryptocurrency business, going to start this, going to start that. See, let me tell you the truth. There is a difference between starting a business and investment. If you are making your money from these things that you can be doing with your skill, talent, and expertise, you can now invest little from that into cryptocurrency. You can decide to go and do all those stuff from there, except if you want to go and learn how to trade. Yes, it's a skill too. Fine. If you want to go into e-commerce, learn how to run Facebook adverts, Google ads. Learn the skill under the business. Don't just go and jump into a business at the top of the business, because the top will always change. The fundamentals and the principles will not change. Your skill, your talent, your expertise are the fundamentals, are the principles. Those will not change. But what will change is how the business is being run, how it's done. So take those skills, package them, and turn them into service. As a freelancer, provide them as a remote job offering to other people who need it, or package them into course, turn it into a mentorship program where you get a group of people, coach someone with it in 2025. That is the way to make money. So I'm telling you the truth, don't go and waste your time. If you don't have any of these skills or expertise, go and learn. Go and learn how to run Facebook ads, how to generate traffic to business owners. Go and learn how to trade. Go and learn how to create landing pages. Go and learn how to run online business. Go and learn how to do data analysis. Go and learn all those stuff. If you can do them, you're good to go. And that is what you need to do in 2025. See you in the next one.